I saw one a few weeks ago. It had an armored head, and it was using these metal bone-like things to move around on wheels. It was definitely not human.
Who are these creatures? What do these strange symbols on the road represent? And why isn't our government telling us the truth about them? We'll find out after this word from our sponsors. The future of driving is here with AI Windshield. This advanced technology uses artificial intelligence to replace distracting pedestrians and cyclists with interesting social media posts. It's designed to keep you up to date on the important things in life, like viral videos, dance trends, and what Taylor is up to. When it comes to driving, it's the connections that count. There's a fun new card game for family and friends, the Blayme Game. Players take the role of drivers who got in a traffic accident. They'll use excuse cards to earn blame points and try to shift the blame onto others to win the game. If they don't get enough points, they'll get a punishment card, a traffic fine for crashing into a store window. Aw, bummer, man. You can get in so many traffic accidents, and you'll need the luck of the draw to avoid taking the blame. The Blayme Game will be available in stores only on April 31st.